city where the traffic is smooth, lights turn off automatically, and a service are just a tap away. It sounds amazing, right? Well, this is the direction that cities are going, and AI is the brain behind it. Hello, I'm Kezia Triliana, and now I'll show you how smart cities makes a better life and how artificial intelligence is transforming cities to be smarter, more efficient, and more livable. So, what kind of city did we live in? Most of us today are already living in what we call as urban areas. Cities are towns with high population, building, vehicle, traffic, public service, and non-stop activity. But many still rely on old systems we call these traditional cities that don't fully utilize the digital technology. Traffic lights follow fixed schedule, energy gateways, and public service that often slow. This makes cities inefficient, stressful, and honestly uncomfortable to live in. According to the United Nations, by the year 2050, around 70% of the world population will live in cities. That means more people, more traffic, more energy use, and of course, more challenge. And here is the question. With that many people, how can cities stay livable, efficient, and sustainable? And this is where artificial intelligence or AI can be leveraged. And now, let's connect to how the cities work. First, AI helps cities to think. It's gathered information from sensors, cameras, and citizens, then process it to make sense of what's going on across the city. Second, AI learns, predicts, and adapts. It's not just react, but it learns patterns and predicts to what's going on to happen, like in traffic or power usage, and adapts in real time. Third, AI powers smarter decisions everywhere. From adjusting traffic lights, managing electricity, and improving public service, AI helps cities act faster and smarter. So instead of reacting when the problem already happened, AI gives cities the ability to prevent those problems from the start. Let's start with something that we all deal with every day: traffic, and how AI making traffic smarter. Like in the left picture, we can see that there are so many transportation in one road because of a traffic. In traditional cities, traffic are usually follow a fixed timer. They change from red to green every few seconds, no matter how many cars on the road. That's why sometimes we are stuck at a red light when no one else is even coming. But in smart city, AI completely changed how this works. Cameras, sensors, and GPS are constantly send traffic data to the system. Then AI analyzes that data in real time. It looks at which roads are crowded and which one is clear and adjusts the traffic signal dynamically. So instead of a fixed timer, traffic lights become smarter. They stay green longer on busy roads and change faster when the roads are empty. This means fewer delays and smoother traffic. And when they travel faster, it will make the cleaner air. Now imagine a bridge or tunnel that can tell you when it's about to break. Sounds impossible, right? But not with AI. In smart cities like Tokyo, sensors are placed on infrastructure like bridge or water pipes. The sensors collect the real-time data like vibration or pressure change. AI then analyzes the data and detects if something not normal to predict the damage. So instead of waiting for a disaster, it can warn because it breaks and the city can fix the problem early. And now, let's talk about something that we all use every day and every time: energy. In Amsterdam, for example, they use a smart grid electricity system that are connected to sensors and managed by AI. These grids don't just send out power randomly, but they check how much energy is needed in real time and adjust the supplies accordingly. Even better, when there is extra power from solar panels or wind turbines, AI makes sure that clean energy is used first and reduce waste. And inside the smart buildings, the system can automatically turn off lights or air conditioner when no one's in the room. All of this leads to less waste and sustainability. That's mean lower bills and greener cities for everyone. Okay, next, what if your city can actually predict pollution or floods before they happen? That's actually what AI is doing in some cities today. In Beijing, AI analyzes weather, traffic, and wind data to predict air pollution before it happens. Meanwhile, in Rotterdam, AI monitors rainfall levels and elevation to predict floods early. This shows how AI enables the cities to be proactive, not reactive, to protecting both the peoples and the city. Public service used to mean standing in a line or filling confusing forms. And AI makes public service more accessible. AI can make public service open 24 hours, every day, every time, anywhere. And you can get the instant access for permits, service, and information. So, after everything that we have seen and heard, what actually makes a city smart? Well, it's not just about having a high technology system, but it's about how technology, especially AI, works behind the scenes to make everyday life feels better. It's about the people and making sure that the cities are not only more efficient, but also human-centered. A smart city adapts to people's real needs, and it doesn't wait for problems to happen, but it predicts and solves them too quietly in the background. Smarter traffic is great. Cleaner air is amazing, but at its core, a smart city is one that listens, learns, and acts for its people. And that's why it makes it truly smart. Smarter cities aren't some distant dream. They are already here, slowly reshaping how we already move and grow in this urban transformation. Because in the end, the goal isn't just about build high technology system. The goal is build a cities that make life everyone feels more better. That's what smarter city and better life are really means. A city that doesn't just think smarter, but lives smart with its people at the center. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Goodbye!